My name is Davis Graham. I'm going to show you how I read with text-to-speech. This is an Apple computer. This is an actual document of Chapter 9. This is Voice Dream Reader using Bookshare's print of Born a Crime by Trevor Noah. So on any computer, Microsoft or whatever, there's different text-to-speech. On Apple, it's relatively simple.
The mulberry tree at the end of our street in Eden Park, right in a bend at the top of the road, stood a giant mulberry tree growing out of someone's front yard.
So I'm going to stop it right there. Over here, it basically sounds the same way.
Speak Afrikaans, their religion, their institutions, all of the...
Here's where it is.
At the end of our street in Eden Park, right in a bend at the top...
At any place I want to make a note, let's just say, for instance, I want to put a note here in Voice Dream Reader, then I can say, I'm going to look up Eden Park on Google Maps. And I can save it, and it's going to leave a little bookmark there. Here on Apple or on a document, I can do the same thing.
At the end of our street in Eden Park, right in a bend at the top of the road, stood a giant
So I want to look up Eden Park, so I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to put it up here in Google Maps. I've already done it, as you can see. And then I'm going to South Africa, and what's nice about it is it kind of outlines where it is, but it's right here on Google Maps. And this is Eden Park. You'll see it pop up. And I think, well, I want to go see actually what the neighborhood looks like, where Trevor Noah grew up. And so I just dropped down in there, and you can see the roads. You can drive down if you want and take a look at the houses and stuff. And so that way it allows me, then I say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this web address and I'm going to put it up in my document. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to insert a comment, and speech to text. I'm putting in my note. Here's a comment that I'm going to be able to consider as an annotation. Here is a website that allows me to see what the houses look like. And then I paste it in there, and then I can go back to it anytime. And it's just the way that we should be using the technology that we have. We can actually understand 4 times more information than somebody speaking, and we can speak 3 to 5 times faster than we can type. So that's how you do book annotations on Trevor Noah's Born a Crime.